Respected Principal Mr. Viswanathan of Kendriya Vidyalaya Higher Secondary School, Udumalpet. Respected teaching faculties of the Kendriya Vidyalaya School, staff of the school, students and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I thank the teaching faculties and the principal of the school who has given me opportunity to talk about the National Sports Day Festival. Why we have to celebrate the National Sports Day Festival? Because it is in the memory of Mr. Dhyan Chand Singh, who has secured more than 500 goals for our country. In the game of hockey, he played for our country and participated 3 Olympics in the year 1928 and 1932 and 1936. 3 Olympics he has not only participated but also he brought name and fame and laurels for our country, winning the gold medal. That's why we are celebrating the National Sports Day Festival in the name of Dhyan Chand Singh. He is from Allahabad and he is very good in skills and he is the king of the hockey game. And as far as the scholarship and the Lifetime Achievement Award is given in the name of Dhyan Chand Singh. And moreover, there are some scholarships and awards also given in the name of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. And the price is 7.5 lakhs rupees. And the Arjuna Award is 5 lakhs rupees. And Dhyan Chand Award, Padma Shri Award, Ten Singh Narge National Adventure Award. These are all the awards is given for the sports persons. And apart from that, there is an award for the coaches, those who are producing the national and international level, and the coaches will be given the recognition for Dronacharya Award. Dronacharya Award will be given for the coaches. So the players, I request you, you have to take part in the sports along with the study. Then only your health will be developed. You can build your body and you will be having a very good strength and you will be active and you will have a social mentality with the others. Why we have to play sports? Number one reason is to develop the sense of friendliness. You will have a lot of friends and you will have a lot of social attitudes and you will have very good behavior, and that's why you have to involve in sports. Number two, the leadership quality also you can develop. Leadership quality, and you can guide the other people, develop the physical fitness, mental health, self-confidence, leadership skills and stress management. These are the qualities you can develop. So that's why you have to choose any one of the game and you can improve your health status. And as far as the Sports Authority of India, the Sports Authority of India is playing a major role to develop the sports and also given a lot of opportunity to the sports persons to improve the standard of the game, not only the improve the game, but also the job opportunity also the Sports Authority of India is giving. And the Sports Authority of India is running and sports hostels, site training centers, Khelo India centers and Center of Excellence, and the allied sports persons, the coaching camps. All the coaching camps also conducted by the Sports Authority of India. And the Sports Authority of India is conducting the training colleges for the coaches, producing the coaches, and they are conducting the diploma courses as well as the Master of Sports courses and the Sports Sciences classes. So all the courses are also conducted by the Sports Authority of India, and they are preparing the players for the Olympics, World Games, the job opportunities as far the sports is concerned. The railways, the army, and the banks, and the public sectors, BSNL, LIC, all the departments are giving sports quota selections and job opportunities. And you have to play a game. There are 56 games are there in India. You can choose any one of the games. You know only few games: athletics, ball badminton, kabaddi, football, cricket, tennis, swimming. These games only we know. But out of which there are number of games are there. And you have to search the games, and wherever the facilities available, you can join any one of the clubs. You can find any one of the games in your locality or local area, and accordingly you can join and you can improve your games. And before I conclude the speech, and I want to tell you the three things: discipline, enthusiasm, fighting spirit. Three principles never forget. Discipline means always regularly you have to go to the ground, and systematically you have to train yourself under the guidance of the coach. And next one is systematically you have to take the nutritious food. This is called a discipline. Enthusiasm means interest. Unless otherwise you have the interest in the sports, you cannot achieve the in sports. Number three is will to win or fighting spirit. You have to have the fighting spirit, will to win, and then only you can achieve something in sport. With this, I conclude my speech. Before I conclude my speech, I thank the principal and the teaching faculties, staff and students who have given me opportunity to speak about the National Sports Day celebrations. Thank you one and all.